Hey friends, if the middle mouse click button is not working on your Firefox on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Right click on the start button and select Firefox from the menu. Click on on the hamburger symbol at the top right corner and then select help. Click on more troubleshooting information. Select refresh Firefox and then click on refresh Firefox. Okay, it will delete all the passwords, cookies and everything, and it will reset all the settings. Now once this is done, you can consider disabling the extensions. So we will reopen Firefox. Okay, click on the hamburger symbol once again, and then you can go to the add-ons and themes tab. Go to extensions, and if you have added any problematic extension here, then remove it. Okay, and the last solution will be, okay, obviously you have to delete cache and cookies, but that already gets deleted when you reset Firefox. The last solution will be to update the browser in case it was very obsolete. So click on the hamburger symbol once again, select help, click on about Firefox. It will start checking for updates and automatically update it to the latest version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.